Ekuthule bandlela. Ngifana kagama lo and welcome to more Zara Music, a platform where we react to Zara Music, ukwaba, ukucula, we break down the lyrics, trying to get the message behind the lyrics. We basically criticize, siyakhulisa, we encourage namanye amabandla to do better. What's up, bro? Yeah. So, hey, guys, I'll never stop thanking you, man. It's a wonderful morning. It's what 10 in the morning now. 10 in the morning. To people that have questions, for now, guys, I don't have a specific time frame in which I'll upload my videos. I have a bad Wi-Fi right now. Like the Wi-Fi that I have now and the Wi-Fi that I had before, it was different. It takes forever to upload. Yeah, when if you shoot manje ngo-10, I know ukuthi mhlambe ngo-2 or 3 ngizoba upload. But before that, I had a very quick Wi-Fi. Things were just quicker. Now it's just slow. It's nothing I can do. Anyway, if you haven't subscribed to this YouTube channel, make sure that you hit the subscribe button. Like, the more you guys like my videos, the more my videos can get around, and share as well. And also, don't forget to give me a recommendation and comment in the section below how you feel about that reaction or what other church you would like me to react to. So we are officially 3 subscribers away from 100. As I am shooting this, I am officially 3 subscribers away. I told myself that I won't promote this page until I get to 100 subscribers. Once I get to 100 subscribers, then I will really start promoting it, because I mean now it has weight. So today we are fulfilling isifiso saka Busisiwe Makakula. Busisiwe Makakula commented on a video that I posted like weeks ago, 2 days ago, asking me to react to the House of Worship Bible Church. She liked the reaction that I did now the last time. These guys were singing outside and they sound phenomenal. And I'm excited because I've heard them sing before. And they've raised the bar and I am really excited. So today we are reacting to House of Worship Bible Church. Sikubonga sikudumise. Yeah, apparently this video was shot last year, but it was somewhere along the line. Without wasting you guys' time, let's dive right into it. What did I say? Angagai good. Nisangena already. First part leader sing his will. Ne alto sing his will. Guys, House of Worship, they are not yet to play, bro. Guys, the lady, right now, Cross, I know her from somewhere. I know her from somewhere. Eba Konzala, can you please tell me or what she's always been? If not, then she looks like somebody. Anyway, let's get to it. wanted to get the message. So kubonga sukudumize noma amehlo agcwele inyembezi. Have you ever been hurt, dog? Like we got some to a point where you're like, hey, this is a lot. This is too much. This is too much. I could imagine, yeah? I could imagine how Abraham felt when God said to him, "Thatha indodana yakho, ukhuphuke nayo intaba. He is going to be the sacrificial lamb for me." I can imagine Abraham sekaguqile sathi kuyintando yakho. Ambonga, wamdumisa with tears in his eyes as he about to sacrifice his own child. His own child. How many parents? How many, even myself, years later, how many parents are willing or would do that? Abraham, in his head, he's like, you know what? God said, and I shall. Okay, apart from God asking you to do something, let me find the typical example. Okay, the most famous example I can look at is Jesus on the cross. That dude was still praising God. Sekashaywe mo. He was there. Hayi, ngiyakude futhi. uJobe, ngiyakude futhi. Hayi, nambona uJob, uLord. uLord and his wife were told ukuthi phumani. Ingoba uLord was so submissive. And God said to them, whatever you do, don't look back. Lot's wife looked back. She instantly froze and became sand. I can imagine what Lord was thinking about. Like, you know what? I've lost who I love. I've lost the love of my life. Job, he lost everything. With tears in his eyes. Guys, come on, man. Come on. And another thing, when it comes to house of worship, there is nothing more I'm going to dissect outside from our lyrics. These people have proven to me who they are. Photo Sabo is on point. Bass Sabo is on point. Whether they're using the microphone or not, the last time bebanga phandle. On point. Itena yabo on point. And I like the dragging that they do. Yeah, when they move from this part of the song to this part of the song, there's just that split second by Shaya. That for me is music to my ears. Literally. It's too much. That guy, Soprano, this man, Ujomo. I don't know. I have to find out his name, but if he's still alive. There was a man, Ujomo Ezayo. Now, when I'm Maufana na mission sakya. And that guy's voice, I want to talk about this Soprano, the way he went up like that, instantly, That man could sing. That man sings. Yeah, but exactly like that. Did you hear that woman? Did you hear that woman? Did you hear that woman? Yo. Yazi, this is the church that made me sit here and ask myself questions. This is the church. At dawn, bruh. Hey, Lalel. These people are outside. They don't need to impress me more than this. I mean, I'm already impressed. This is the church that made me say, no wonder why the devil wants music so much. This church. This church made me say, yar. So, imagine being a person responsible for other people. Even if you have shortcomings or you don't give people what they want, people still say, oi, maranyavuga ngithi. Maranyadla ngithi. Mara nginerufa ngithi. Nyageza ngithi. Ngivukile, ngisaphila. Angithi, I'm still here. And they say, oi, ngibonga lokho. Anginayo le million le bengifuna. Mara ngibonga lokho. Like, do you imagine why the devil will never let it go? Because this is what he wants. He wants the worship. He wants this. What do you think is gonna bring you closer to the angels, bro? What do you think is gonna? It's singing. It's music. And you must understand, guys. Listen, I'm a dancer. I'm a dancer, right? As a dancer, just because you play a song doesn't necessarily mean good himlo. I'll be here. No, the song has to resonate with my frequency. Different part of singing. And njengoba ngisho kunama-chords angithi kunabo C low, B minor, A minor, uppercase, what. Umzimba wakho inside kunento bakuthiwa your nervous system. That's where the music hits. And when it hits that nerve, awazi ukuthi ungazenzani. You just let go nje because it hits the frequency that it needs to hit. Now imagine if when we feel a physical in a spiritual level, how do you think this thing feels like? Think just you can't even wrap your head around. Oh my god. I know my sister would laugh. I'm distracted. I want to laugh. You rock letters. Hey, cameraman. And unity Alto Levantale is incredible. It's incredible. Angazi ukuthi yiphi le queue abayisebenzisa, but le queue abayisebenzisa nami ngiyayicela. Aningiphenyi yona. Nikeze abanye abantwana phela. Ningayithathi niyifihle. Nikezeni abanye abantwana nami ngiyayicela. Wow. Oh. Ubuyisiswa. Angifundanga kahle, mara usisibusi. Makagula. Thank you for that. Thank you for that. Thank you for requesting me to react to even House of Worship, because these people stand up to their names. They are worshiping. Listen, they are here. Even my hand go up. Guys, so make sure to follow me on my social media, TikTok and Instagram. When I do izinto, most cases, just make sure you have either of the two, and make sure to subscribe to this YouTube channel, like and comment. The more you guys like my videos, the more my videos can get around. Like seriously. So we are officially 3 subscribers away from 100. Once I figure 100, I will promote this page. Yay! I'll be here. Waters, just flourishing. So, in the favorite way of Jupiter, adios.